We are installing a Fulton F2 tie down today for the transom. This tie down is supposed to be stainless steel. The part number is 206-2100, 2 times 43 inches. The transom tie down F2. Release the strap to adjust the transom tie down. Placing the bolt in the bottom hole of the tie down. Be sure to put anti-seize on the bolt. The bolt nut is stainless steel. I may have mentioned I made a bracket. Be sure to use 2 3/4 inch wrenches to tighten up the bolt. Leave the bolt loose until you can position the tie down where you want it. Then tighten up the bolt. Repeat this procedure for the other side also. Didn't know if you noticed, but we did put LED lighting on the trailer. Give me a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.